Hi, welcome to Scholar, and today we're doing group 6. Worksheets that we have in this group are Y, X, we have digraphs, that is ch, sh, and th. So let's get started with the first one we are doing here is X. So you're just doing the say, the sound, and the coloring. So we're doing the coloring for X, and then you're just going to go ahead and color the xylophone. Then we are doing the letter formation, Tracey and write. And we're going to complete the word. So here we go with the X. It's kind of a tricky thing because X, you don't find X as the beginning letter too often. So you're just going to go ahead and add X wherever applicable. So we have fox, we have six, we have box, we have sax, that is saxophone, we have xylophone, and we have X-ray. Okay, so the sound of X here is X. Next we have Y. Sound of Y is Y. So trace and write with the year. And same thing here. You're just going to go ahead and add Y sound. You're just going to go ahead and add Y letter. Yacht, yak, yogurt, yarn, yellow, and yam. Next, I just added J here because it was from the previous group. I just wanted to add a few more letters just for practice and for revision. So we have sound, W, Z, Y, and J. So you're just going to go ahead and match the capital letters to the small letters. So here we have V. So you're going to match that. Then we have J. So just going to go ahead and match that. And so on and so forth. You're going to go ahead and match all of them. Next we have the digraph Ch. So we have ch, ch, chocolate, ch, ch, chime, ch, ch, cheese, ch, ch, church. And then if you pay attention, there's another ch at the end too here. So it would be fun if you had both areas, but just to not confuse kids, you're just doing the beginning sounds with the digraph. Then we have chin and then chick. Next we have the sound sh. So sh, shed, shorts, shell, sheep, shirt, and shark. Next we have fill in the blanks with the sound. Okay, so wherever is applicable, or the. So in this we have the sound. So like the as in they, father, those, that, this, and these. I'm going to go ahead and make a video with the and the th sound because there's a lot of confusion and parents have difficulties teaching this sound to their child. It is not difficult at all, but in short, just remember there are two sounds. One is th and one is th. Okay, so the th sound almost sounds like the word d, but it's not. So it's th sound. Next one, we have the sound th. Okay, so you can't really hear the sound. It happens between your lips, so it's th. So thin, tooth, think, thumb, throw, and moth. Okay, so the next worksheet you're going to do is color the flip-flops that have the same sound. So you're just going to see which one matches. So we have E, so we have E here and here. So you're just going to color those. Ch, ch here, color that. Or here, color those. And the same thing with A. Next, is join the picture to its sound and write. So here we have throw. So you're going to join that. Chess, moth, ship, chop, shoes, chain, 3, fish, and chips. So you're just going to see that, your child is going to see that, and just add the letters accordingly. Next we have Tracey and write because here we're completing the whole 26 letters of the alphabet. So they're going to do the capital A and small a all the way to Z or Z. Next we have worksheet number 15, that is tricky words. So in this worksheet, because this is group 6, we are adding number 6 to this. So they're going to also learn the name of the number 6. And as a revision, you have all 1 to 6 numbers here, along with your number names, and then match the following items to the number names and the numbers. Next, we have tricky words do. All you're going to do is read, trace, and color. Just like the previous worksheet, you're going to connect the dots in this hexagon shape, do, and then you're going to find the word. Let's find it. So you're just going to circle do, do, do. Then you're going to trace and write it, do, and then fill in the blanks wherever is appropriate. Then you're going to cut, and you're going to go ahead and paste it. So you're going to build it here. Next we have off. You're going to do the same thing, similar to do. We have the word to here. Once, upon, are, you, all, and then we are just revising the words that we learned. So in this one we are just doing saw, goes, and put. In this one we have 4, 5, and 6. Then we just trace and practice the words that we learned. Next we have consonant blends. Okay, so for this one you're just going to look at the picture and then make sure you're matching it to the correct blend. So here we have dragon, so dr. All right, so then we have brain. Then we have sled. This is blade, so BL. Flag, so FL. Prize, PR. Prize, grass. Frown, FR. We have a crib, CR. We have a globe, GL. We have a plant, PL. We have blade, BL. Next we have SK, so skirt. This is shrimp, screw. Then we have I think this is twig, so TW. SN swan. This is SW swan, snake. Spoon, squat, strawberry, spray, star, smile, and scarf. Next we have look at the picture and change the initial letters only. So this is tooth. So you're changing the initial letters only to make a new word. So we have boot. Okay, like you're talking in the booth. So you're changing the initial letter only. So from tooth you're making boot. Then we have snake, and you're changing the initial letter only, the S and N. So you're changing the FL to S and N, and you're making flake. Green, and you're replacing GR with SCR here. The only difference here, we're replacing 3 letters from the 2. So we're replacing 3 letters from the 2 in this one, so we're making screen. Next is word puzzle. So in this one you have DR, and then we have ink. So DR and ink, so you can see that it becomes DR plus ink becomes drink. Next will become spot, B plus ring, bring. So that was adding a letter to form a new word, and now we are removing a letter to form a new word. So in this first picture you can see it's a ship. So you're removing S, you're subtracting S from ship to form a new word. So that's hip. It's a shop, but you're removing the S from this word, so it's going to become hop. Removing the S from this word, so it becomes wing. Last one is cash. It's becoming ash. Next is change letter to form a new word. So we have CH, I, and chin here. Change CH to T will become tin. Bring will become spring. Peel will become feel. And beam will become, because you're changing M here, so beam will become beat. Next is answer with a yes or no question and complete a sentence. So is the snake in the grass? So your answer has to be yes with a full stop. Make sure your child practices putting a full stop at the end. The next question is the cat has a bone? No. Your child needs to start phrasing answers to the appropriate question. Yes or no. The frog is in the pond? No, the duck is in the pond. So at this point, they also need to learn to spell out the words that they're thinking about. For example, dog. They have to be able to say the word dog and then break it down so they can spell it. Segmenting. D-A-G. Duck. D-A-K. They might need help with the C and K here. The plane is in the sky. Yes, the plane is in the sky. The final worksheet here, we have scrambled words. Very important. So we have lion. So you're going to scramble them. O-I-O-N, lion. Deer, D-E-R. P-I-G, pig, S-E-A-L, seal. D-U-C-K, duck. D-O-G, dog. S-H-A-R-K, shark. And C-A-T, cat. Okay, so this was it, 32 worksheets for group 6. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you need to purchase these worksheets, please let me know in the comment section. And all those who have purchased the worksheet, thank you very much for your order. See you again in the next video where I'm going to finish group 7.